Bismillah. Hello and welcome to another video by whbproductions. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can trim or clip your videos or compositions, animations in After Effects. This is a really simple tutorial and it's not going to take long. So once you have your clip loaded in After Effects, you just need to go at any place. Just take this sticker to any place you want and just click edit, and then you will see the option for split layer. Then you can press this and you can split this layer into two. So you can even choose to delete this previous layer, and this will vanish. So you can see that you have now split your layer. So the shortcut for splitting your layer is Control Shift D, Control Shift and D. Then you will go ahead and just split this layer. Then you can drag it or just reposition it however you like. Or you can also upload new clips. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more After Effects tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.